Hello everyone, welcome back to VideoProc Vlogger's channel. In today's video, we will show you how to make a brush stroke titles. If you're interested in this one, keep watching the video. Before we start, we need to first prepare some brush materials. You can download them from material website or through the link we put in the description box down below. Next, let's open VideoProc Vlogger. First, import the brush materials we prepared into the video tracks. If the material is short, we can drag the playhead to find the moment it ends. Then use split to cut the video from there. Next, we take a screenshot of the frame. Re-import the image into VideoProc Vlogger and collect it at the cut point. Then export the video segment. In addition, we need to create a green screen material. Import another brush material into VideoProc Vlogger. Drag it into the overlay track. And make the image fit to the screen. Click here to enter the setting interface. Find the background. Choose Custom and select the green in the color wheel. Click down to return to the main interface. Then, in the inspector on the right, change your blend mode to darken. This way, we have created the green screen material for the brush. We create a new project. Click here to create a text ledger. Enter the text you want. Next, you can change a suitable font. Then find text shadow and delete the subtitle shadow. Adjust the size and position of the subtitle in the preview window. Then take a screenshot of the frame. Re-import a screenshot into VideoProc Vlogger. Delete the material on the timeline. Next, we drag the text image we just created into the video track. Then drag the black and white brush material into the overlay track. Make it fit to the screen. We then find the blend mode and change it to darken. Now drag the playhead to the moment when the text appears. Then adjust the size and position of the image in the preview window to make the text appear as complete as possible on the screen, like this. Click here to take a screenshot of the frame. Then we press Ctrl and S. Or click here to save the project. Create a new project. Import a screenshot we just took into VideoProc Vlogger and drag it into the video track. Then, we import the brush green screen material we made earlier into the overlay track. Make it fit to the screen. Use chroma key to remove the green screen part. Then find Transform and adjust the rotation to 150. Next, we select the material on the video track. Click here to enter the color editor. Adjust the temperature and tint values to the minimum to make the text red. Then in the HSL panel, adjust the hue, saturation, and luminance values to get the color you want for the subtitles. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Then, let's export the material. Well, we're back to a previous project. Let's import the material we just exported into VideoProc Vlogger. Then create a new overlay track. Import a new material and make it fit to the screen. Drag it backward so it starts after the text is fully visible. Then choose color in the blur mode. Next, create another overlay track. Import a black and white brush material. Drag it into the overlay track and fit to the screen. Just like before, adjust rotation to 150 in Transform. Then click here to enter the color editor. Adjust the temperature and tint values to the minimum to make the text red. Then in HSL, adjust the hue, saturation, and luminance values to get a color you like. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Then in blend mode, select Light. This completes the brush stroke title effect. Well, this is all for today's video. If you want to know more video editing tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!